So we got to find, now we got to find k and n. So what we know now is that this side is negative square root of 15, this one is 1, this one is 4. Okay, and this angle is alpha, and we need to find k and n. Okay, so again, what you can do with something like this is just draw a line down, straight down, and then check k is your x value, so it's this part, x, y is how much you go up, so that's n. N, up, k, for x. Put it in, it helps. Now, this angle is alpha, so when you say alpha minus 90, alpha minus 90, then you get this angle over here, alpha minus 90. Okay, because like we said, if alpha is 1, let's say alpha is 140, then 140 minus 90 gives you 50. Then this angle must be 50. So this angle here is alpha minus 90. So that means if we want to check what is cos alpha minus 90, okay, which means cos of this angle here, it's adjacent of our hypotenuse, so that should be k over m. K over 6. Okay? Cos alpha minus 90, this one. It's adjacent of our hypotenuse, k over 6. But we know that cos alpha minus 90, okay, let's wait to that. Let's first look at sine now. Okay, that's cos alpha minus 90 now. Now sine alpha minus 90, let's write it here. Sine alpha minus 90. Let's see, sine alpha minus 90 is opposite of our hypotenuse. So that will be m over 6. Okay, so we got this now. But now let's first look at this one, sine alpha minus 90. Normally when you say sine alpha minus 90, think about it, alpha minus 90, you're going to the fourth quadrant. Okay, if you just think of alpha as an angle, it's very similar to sine 90 minus alpha and cos 90 minus alpha. Okay, co-ratios. Okay, but in this case it's sine alpha minus 90, so you're going to the fourth quadrant. Okay, and for this one, cos alpha minus 90, so you're going to the fourth quadrant. So what do you guys think will that be? Let's first look at what is sine alpha minus 90 going to be? Right, so now we can say this one, sine alpha minus 90. So alpha, if you just think of alpha as an angle and you subtract 90, you're actually going into the fourth quadrant. From alpha an angle, don't think of this angle now, just think in general. If you have an angle minus 90, you can say it becomes, because sine in the fourth quadrant is negative, it becomes negative cos alpha. Okay? And this one, cos alpha minus 90, now when you subtract 90 and you're busy with cos, go 90 back, it goes into the fourth quadrant, but cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. So this one becomes positive sine alpha equal to k over 6. Okay. So it's, like I said, it's like the co-ratios. You go from cos to sine, here you go from sine to cos, but because sine alpha minus 90 moves you into the fourth quadrant, it becomes negative, because sine is negative in the fourth quadrant. Cos alpha minus 90, you go into the fourth. All I can actually say is memorize this part, like the co-ratios. Okay, cos alpha minus 90 will always be sine alpha. Sine alpha minus 90 will always be negative cos alpha. So you might as well, you're going to probably get confused if you don't memorize those two. Okay, they are a bit confusing. Okay, but now, what did we find earlier? Sine alpha was 1 over 4. So now we can say 1 over 4 is equal to k over 6. And for this one, we said that cos alpha was this one, negative square root of 15 over 4. Okay, so if you just draw a line here, so then it's going to be negative square root of 15 over 4, adjacent of our hypotenuse, negative square root of 15 over 4 equal to m over 6. Okay. Okay, but remember, it was actually cos alpha. Cos alpha is this. Cos alpha is negative square root of 15 over 4. But there was a negative in the front. Okay, think about it, it's negative cos alpha. Negative and then cos alpha. Okay, and cos alpha is this one. So negative cos alpha is going to be a negative and a negative, so it ends up being positive square root of 15 over 4 equal to m over 6. And then if you cross multiply, you get 6 square root of 15 over 4 equal to m. Because you can divide both sides by 2, so therefore m will be 3 square root of 15 over 2. And here, if you cross multiply, k will be 6 over 4, which is equal to 3 over 2. And obviously, if you look at the solution here, k and m, obviously they're going to be positive, because it's m is the x value here. Okay, sorry, m is the y value, so it's going to be a positive value. K is the x value, so it has to be a positive value. So if you made a mistake with the signs and you ended up getting negative as an answer, you can say that can't be right because I'm going up. So y must be positive and x must be positive because I'm going. So that's how you can also sort out the signs. Just use logic. Okay.